Susie from Susie's Homestead. I'm at the Japanese egg vending machine today. I thought you guys might like to come along and see this. It's really interesting. Come on. The egg vending machine. See if you can see it a little bit better. It's really kind of cool. Interesting little design. I'm going to get 2 batches of eggs here today. So I'll put in my 200 yen. Push the button. And out come our eggs. These are the large eggs. And I'm going to shut it back. I'm going to get some smaller eggs too. Here, we'll use this one over here. $200. And more eggs. Farm fresh eggs. Okay. And there we go. Like that, right? We got, there's usually around 8 or 9. There might be 10 in here of the extra large jumbo ones. And then there's usually around 14 to 16 of the smaller ones. Anyways, it's just a fun thing to do. I thought you guys might like to see it. We'll show it to you again. Morning, guys. I just wanted to show you all the size of these eggs that I got yesterday. That is from the vending machine, and this egg is from the grocery store. Voila, look at the size difference. And this one from the grocery store, I have to show you this, is grade A extra large eggs. So look at the difference in size. It's like it's not even a real egg. Huh. Sometimes I wonder if these are duck eggs. I mean, they're so big, these jumbo ones. Anyways, when I got in yesterday, this is the day after I went to get them. I was starving, and the very first one I pulled out for a fried egg was a double yolker. Of course, they're almost always the double yolks, it seems. A lot of them are. Anyways, oh, let's look at the difference. They're so amazing. Okay, first egg, grocery store egg. Hello? Doesn't look too bad, but it's grocery store egg. All right, number 2. Yep, double yolks. And they are orange. They are so beautiful. Look at the difference. Just look at those eggs out of the vending machine. They're beautiful. This is the tag. Anyways, just wanted to follow up on that and let you see what the eggs look like inside. They are absolutely gorgeous. Y'all have a great day. Bye.